Today we got a video from Bodycam Files, and the title of the video is Police Weren't Expecting Her to Do This.
Police respond to a residence after a homeowner calls about a female that was banging on her front door and refusing to leave.
Reason why you keep knocking on that door?
So we can come inside.
Okay, well I need you to come over here and wait for the door. Do what? No? Ma'am, step away from the door.
Alright, go inside. Tomorrow, I don't want her here. She's been asked to leave many, many times. She doesn't want to leave. I don't want her hurt. I don't want her arrested. I just want her out of here, please, and I want it noted. I want a report. You could see she's been doing this forever. I've been waiting for my glass to come in and break. She dated my son. They're not together anymore, and I don't want her on my premises. This is my home.
Okay.
I don't want her here, and this is my son. And I don't want him coming out of here because I don't feel safe with her, with him.
Okay. Ma'am, what is your name? Ma'am, what is your name? Does she have mentally?
That's why I don't want her in trouble. I just want her to understand she's not welcome here.
What's her first name? Since she doesn't want to answer me. Sandra? Samantha?
Mm-hmm.
Samantha, are you hearing what she's saying? Hello?
You know how they get when the officers is there, man. They locked in on that phone, man. It don't matter what else is going on. They're locked in on that cell phone, man. Nothing is more important than whatever is going on in that cell phone.
Samantha, do you have your driver's license, your ID with you? Okay, this is going to last for a couple more minutes till my other deputy gets here, and then she's going to have two routes. One, she's going to answer me, or she's going to go to jail.
Answer him, or are you going to leave? Okay.
No, she's going to go to jail.
Okay, so please, that's not what we want.
Stop. Just give me your driver's license.
Okay, I don't have it with me. You still need to leave.
Well, then you need to talk to me. Level's at 0 right now, so you can knock that crap off. I can understand how relationships and stuff like that can be very, very volatile. But this is not the way to act like it, because I'm assuming you're an adult. All right? What is your last name? Amanda, what is your last name?
Samantha, if you keep
Samantha.
obstructing him, he is going to put you in cuffs. Just give him the information.
This is Mom. This is ex-boyfriend, and this is...
You need to go inside.
It's Samantha, correct? Yeah, this is Samantha, who's not wanting to answer any questions or have anything to do with police, and refusing to leave with her telling her she wants her to leave.
Samantha, you're currently trespassing. Do you have ID on you? You don't? Or are you not going to provide it?
I don't have it.
Okay, I'm asking.
No. Do you have your registration in your car? Do you have your registration in your car?
Can you run that tag right down that car?
I'm sure I'm about to show your registration.
Are you going to leave right now off this property?
Is this her car right here?
Yes.
Okay.
Is that a yes or no?
Sam,
I'm not going to ask you again.
Sam, they're not playing with you. We just want you to leave our home. We don't wish you any ill will. You're just not welcome here anymore. You need to leave. Why would you want to go and obstruct justice and get yourself into trouble when you're being given the chance by 3 officers to leave here who are being very...
Man, she don't give a crap about none of that, man. She want her man back. She don't care about none of that, man. She don't care what they talking about. She's doing whatever she got to do to get her man back, man. She miss him, boy. My boy must have been doing his thing. You hear me? Oh, my guy was doing his thing. Got her strung out. She can't even function. Look, she all discombobulated. She can't even function without my guy, man. Damn, man. Damn. Oh boy. Listen, that's all that's on her mind is being with her man, man. You know what I'm saying? But he already done moved on. They split up. On to the next, you know. On to the, got her up out of here, man. She ain't wrapped too tight, man. Gotta move on. You know what I'm saying? Enjoy your time while y'all together. Gotta move on, man. Gotta move on, you know? But yeah, she ready to go to jail, man. I could already see it. I could see it. I could see it in her future. I'm like, That's So Raven. You know what I mean? You remember That's So Raven? People that's probably around my age probably know, you know what I'm saying? Or if they, you know, people that's a little older that had kids or whatever. That's So Raven on Disney Channel, man. Raven Simone. She used to be able to see into the future. I could see into the future. She's getting locked up, man.
Very respectful and calm with you and giving you the chance to go to your home and deal with whatever it is that you need to deal with today. And not be here and get yourself in trouble. It's not worth it. You just can't stay here. You can't be banging on. That's going to cause you problems later. If you get arrested, then you got to go back to court. Then you're considered a stalker. Then you're obstructions of justice, not listening to a police officer.
Are you going to leave right now?
Please leave. And do not come back.
Is that a valid deal?
Yes or no? Okay. So you heard her. She wants you trespass from this point. It's on camera. If you come back on this property and we catch you here, you go to jail. You understand? All right.
Thank you.
Maybe I'm wrong. Shit. Look at that. Wow.
Something like show Samantha 27 on this property. Go get her. Signal 12.
She's gonna kill somebody.
Yep. Go, dude. What are you doing?
Slowing down. We're coming up to West Virginia Street.
Oh, they about to turn her TV off, boy. Night night.
What the fuck did I do? What did I do?
Unlock the door.
You didn't do anything.
Get out of the car!
What did I do? Oh my god! Oh my god! What did I do? Wait, what did I do?
Give me a hand.
What did I do? What did I do? What did I do? What did I do?
Don't move!
What did I do?
Over.
What did I do?
How about run a stop sign, squeal your tires, and you fail to yield? Now you're under
I
arrest.
didn't fail to you.
Yes, you did.
Yes, you did.
No, I did not. When I exit the
2748.
community?
It's 10 to 10.
Get up.
What did
Get against the car.
Can you guys explain to me what did I do?
Turn around.
Can you
Yeah,
guys
she
explain-
nuts, boy.
I did not fail to yield.
You squirted your tires in the neighborhood. You blew the stop sign.
I squealed my tires because the car.
You didn't want to stop. All the way from. We are 2 miles
I
away
see
from that.
this entrance, that's why I stopped here. Right here by the
You could have
entrance.
pulled in the gas station at City Hall. Any street turn lane.
But I didn't understand why you guys were coming after me.
Okay, that's not how that works.
Thank you.
You got this one?
Oh, yes.
All right.
No, you're under arrest. Your car's getting towed.
Can I
What's wrong with today? Are you short enough to fit in there?
All right. I'm going to read you something, then I'm going to go from there, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against the court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him or her present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish.
Can I ask you why you pointed a gun at me? For
Oh,
no
stop. Let me finish, okay? You can decide any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights that I've explained to you?
I just want to understand.
Do you explain each of these
I don't
rights?
understand.
You want me to read it again?
No, I need to understand
Okay.
why you were so
Stop.
fast to pull a gun out on
Go
me.
ahead.
For me squealing my wheels and not knowing where
10-4,
to
thank
stop.
you.
Samantha was charged with attempting to flee or elude, resisting without violence, possession of marijuana under 20 grams, and possession of drug paraphernalia.
Damn. Oh my goodness.
On November 13th, 2023, she pled not guilty on all counts except fleeing, and the charges were eventually dropped. The remaining fleeing charge was dropped by the prosecutor on February 6th, 2024.
Okay. Yeah, she's just emotionally, she's a wreck. You know what I mean? She just, something just ain't right, man. Something just ain't right. See, I told you, I'm like Raven Simone, man. That's so Raven. You know what I mean? I can see in the future. But I must say, I did not expect her to get arrested for that. I thought she was going to have a tough time with the trespassing thing. This quickly took a whole different turn. No pun intended, man. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.